In this video, we are going to be analysing NIO. So to get straight into it, we can see we're still very near to that 52-week low. It does look like we're continuing to fade, especially just looking at how sharp this recent downtrend has been. Obviously, some of this is aided just to Chinese stocks in general. I mean, we saw it earlier this week. Things like Alibaba and basically near enough all the Chinese stocks really got hammered the last few days. So it wasn't surprising to kind of see NIO going down this far as well. But what are going to be key levels we're paying attention to? So again, do be concerned if we end up breaking back below that 52-week low of around $8.40. We will most likely snap down to around $6.40 now. 640 is going to be a key level. This is our third deviation on the 6-month chart, and even though I tend to be a bit more bearish on these kind of stocks just because it has been one that was very hyped up, and usually when stocks are hyped up they tend to just fade out. We've seen it on Bed Bath & Beyond, we've seen it on a BlackBerry, we've seen it on GameStop, we've seen it on AMC. Yes, NIO wasn't the exact same with this because they do at least have kind of a better underlying fundamental business. But overall, again, any hype business, they're still going to get quite hammered, especially in times like this. So do be cautious. If we break below 840, expect a move down to 640. However, this is when I would turn maybe a bit more positive on this stock. If we push down to 640, this would be a high probability reversal zone. So if we did come down to here, definitely be paying attention to that. And again, probably not something I'm going to personally trade, but if it was, it'd probably be something I would be getting a bit more or buying up, definitely there. And if it was something I was looking at to buy for an investment portfolio, 640 would be my key buy zone. If we did break that though, again, I do think this is quite unlikely, even considering the environment we're in. But for 430 and for 315, they are lower down supports, but again, I don't think we'll actually go that low. However, again, better to be prepared than not. Now, what are key levels in if we start pushing to the upside? So we do have a $13 first deviation resistance. At $12 as well, we do have our statistical mean. So again, use this more as a range or a zone. We can see this has been more of a pivot as well. So definitely be paying attention to this. And this will be a key indication on when NIO gets strong again. Once we can break above this $13, come back to retest it as a support and hold. That is a good indication that NIO is once again getting a bit stronger. And we would have a target of 16.25. If we break that, we're looking at 19.50. Going further would be $20.90, and final levels taking us to 26, 27.50, 29.50, and the final two levels at $35 and $43. Now, yes, there is a lot of lines on these charts. Again, these are just to be prepared, just in case we have any parabolic moves either direction. But again, all you ever need to do is pay attention to the closest levels we're at. So as of right now, we're at around $10. All you need to be paying attention to is, can we break and hold above $13? If so, then your focus goes to 16.25. If we can't hold this, or we come and test it but fail, again, just be waiting then for the downside. If we can break or come down to 640, I wouldn't be so much watching for a break in this case, but if we do, watch for the break, the retest, and then most likely continue down to $4. But what I think is more likely, will come down to this level, and then this could be a reversal zone. So just be paying attention to any way you determine a stock has reversed. Again, whether that's a reversal candle and a confirmation candle, however you do that, however you gauge that, just be watching out for that around 640 if we end up pushing further down. But obviously right now we are hovering at 975. That is our second deviation on the 6 month. So this could as well be a key zone. But considering we consolidated on it for a few days, I would just be personally waiting for a break to either level. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.